Hello.
Hello, we are Isabel,
Alba. Berta. María. Marina.
and we are going to talk you about the rainforest and savanna. We hope you enjoy. Rainforest.
The rainforests are forests characterized by its high precipitation with an annual precipitation of 250 centimeters and 450 centimeters.
2000.
Rainforests are vital for our planet because the vegetation absorbs carbon dioxide and because they provide us with wood and other products.
Equatorial rainforests. They are found in South America, Asia, Africa, and Oceania, where the precipitation are abundant and the temperatures are high. Vegetation dense and varied due to the heat and humidity. The fauna is varied and abundant.
The tropical rainforests are found at higher latitudes and are similar to equatorial rainforests. The trees are not as high, and the vegetation is not as dense. Fauna. The rainforest is home for more of half of the world's animals. Colorful and unusual animals dwell in our 4 layers of the rainforest. All types of creatures are found there, from tiny insects to large mammals.
The mammals.
The orangutan,
Gorilla.
The boa and the caiman.
The birds.
The quetzal.
the toucan,
The amphibians.
And the red-eyed tree.
the rainforest frog.
More than 2/3 of the More than 2/3 of the world's plant species are found in the tropical rainforest.
Plants that provide shelter and food for rainforest animals, as well as taking part of gas exchanges, which have much of the world's oxygen supply.
The flora.
The bromeliads,
The episthes.
The carnivorous plant, and the Botrytis roots. This is a climograph of the rainforest. As you can see, there are 5 modes of dry and 1 mode that has the most precipitation and the highest temperature. This month is July, with a precipitation of 3.25 and 60 of temperature. The savannas are found in tropical rainforest, in tropical climates, usually between rainforests and hot deserts. The savannas has very tall grass in rainy seasons, and they also has suburbs and scratchy trees. Most of the rain that falls on the grassland seeps down underground and forms aquifers. There is more water underground than on the surface. The aquifers are water that seems deep underground under the earth's surface.
Some characteristics of the savanna are lots of grasses. It has a wet season and a dry season. Savannas are warm every day of the year due to the latitude. There are birds that migrate through the savanna.
The species of animals in the savanna depend on the geographical location of the biome. The African savanna, the savanna which most of the people are familiar, is home to a large variety of animals.
The animals of the savanna.
The elephant,
The giraffe.
The rhino and the lion.
In order for the grasses to survive the dry season and the periodic fairs, they have developed an adaptation that allow them to grow quickly when there is equator water.
Then when water becomes scarce, the grasses turn brown to the limit water loss.
The savanna danger. The savanna is threatened by drought, global warming, and the water causes the erosion and desertification.
The flora of the savanna.
the baobab tree,
The Senegal gum acacia.
The Bermuda grass.
and the elephant grass.
This is a climograph of the savanna climate. It has very low precipitation and very high temperature.
Questions.
We are going to make you some questions. We are going to make you some questions, and we are going to give you a lollipop if you answer well a question.
Can you say the types of rainforest?
Hannah?
Tropical.
Yes, another.
Right.
tropical and equatorial.
Yes. Why is rainforest important?
Because it provides wood and absorbs CO2 into oxygen.
Rainforests are vital for our planet because their vegetation absorbs carbon dioxide and they supply us with food and other products.
How it is called the home of all animals of the world?
The world? No. Habius. No.
Era fauna de toda la vida.
Lo ha dicho es. Fauna. Isla. No.
Vale, pues si no está chupado, cámbiamelo.
En inglés.
Cámbiamelo. Claro, que si no está chupado, cámbiamelo.
Baobab, elephant grass, ¿quién lo ha hecho? Yo.
Esto lo voy a
Why is safari important for us?
Ya llevas dos.
Why is someone important for us?
Made by
Alba López, Sara Martín,
Isabel Vadillo.
Berta Matellano, Marina Rego.
and we have chosen the information from the textbook of science, a book that A book that Isabel has in her house. An encyclopedia. And from many sources of internet.